These worked example questions ask you to state the number of significant figures in the numbers that we have here. So the first one, we've got 1.667, and because we've got 4 digits here, that answer is going to be given to 4 significant figures. For the next one, we've got 0.0000, where we have all of these leading zeros, none of which add to the significance. So the number is 82080. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we've got a trailing 0 which adds to that significance. So this second number has been given to 5 significant figures. The next one, 1.5 million, written like this, has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 significant figures, because all of these trailing zeros add to that significance. That's the kind of, strictly speaking, A-level physics approach to a number like that. So that's why standard form's used. So here we've got 1,500, but it's been given as 1.50. We've got a trailing 0 there, so that adds to the significance. So this is 1,500 written to 3 significant figures, and that's why we use standard form. So it's really clear the way that our numbers in our answers have actually been presented. By the way, this is just one of many videos I've made covering all of the maths that you need to understand for A-level physics. It's part of a mini course which includes many more topic videos, multiple worked examples, and also a guide that you can download. You can find all of this over at alevelphysicsonline.com.